Look at the Bitcoin price. Behind the scenes, we see declining network growth together with declining liquidity. Is this the recipe for Bitcoin price to start crashing even more? Let's analyze. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from My Crypto Paradise and today is Giveaway Thursday. So in the end of this video there will be an absolutely amazing giveaway, so stay tuned. In this video we will dive deep into lower time frame price action, so we will not be analyzing this ultra high time frame chart, neither through some exclusive long-term insights, because I have been covering all of that in the previous video that I have recorded one day ago. So after you watch this, if you have not watched this one, go watch it because it will absolutely help you. So right now let's zoom in into the price action of this consolidation right here. So we go to high time frame chart. You know this pattern very well. This is the ending diagonal where we have been predicting successfully together all of the moves in it. With the fifth truncated final wave, it finished the ending diagonal, and since then, based on our analysis, we have very early spectated that we are right now starting a new trend in an opposite direction. So in the previous videos we have been already covering that we are starting a new impulse, and this impulse is basically the actionary ultra high time frame A wave off and zigzag, right? So right now we will be mostly talking in this video very quickly about this third wave of this impulse. As you know, we are already done with the first wave, second wave, and right now we are starting the third wave. So let's zoom in and analyze the third wave. So on our medium time frame chart, you know that this third wave subdivides itself into another 5 waves, into another impulse, and we believe this impulse will finish right here at $80,000 as shown right here. It's a pure technical analysis skills. If you are reading our MCP University blog post, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This is the higher level of a third wave, and the third wave is a motive mode wave, so it subdivides into another 5 waves. Usually the third wave is an impulse, very rarely some kind of a diagonal. So we believe that this time it will be impulse as well. And before we go to through the waves, let's understand the price action from a basic technical analysis skills. As you can see, since around 3rd of February we are making lower highs, as you can see right here, lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, so we are in a clear bearish structure. After we have finished the high time frame second wave right here, you know that on ultra low time frame we have spectated this flat corrective pattern that finished right here on 7th of February at around $100,000. So that was finished right here. You know that we have been opening short on this one, and since then we have started the third wave on high time frame, and on medium time frame this is a new impulse, right? So the wave structure is one that is already finished, second that was already finished. With this high we have not went above the previous high, so everything is okay, and it seems like this is the start of a third wave that will finish at around $85,000, and the whole impulse will finish at $80,000. Everything seems to be on point until we can broke above this high. If we broke above this high, my calculation is incorrect and there is some other pattern in making, but right now it seems everything is happening exactly as I'm predicting again. So let's zoom in even closer, and right now let's analyze this third wave of this medium time frame impulse. For that, let's zoom into ultra low time frame 15-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the larger first and second wave, and right now we are starting the larger third wave. And once again the third wave also subdivides itself into another smaller 5 waves, right? So I believe we have already finished first wave, second wave right here. As you can see, the second wave on our medium time frame analysis perfectly retested our Fibonacci retracement sequence that I have been analyzing for you in the previous videos. As you can see it exactly, this is how professional traders analyze the resistances. Look at that, absolutely touched exactly the level I have been expecting, and then we have crashed lower on lower time frame. It is very nicely visible right here. As you can see, the crash from the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level basically started the new impulse, right? So right now it's very important to understand this is the previous local high. We cannot go above this one, we cannot close any candle above this one, otherwise it would be neglected, this impulse. But right now it seems like we are starting a new impulse 1, 2, and right now we are in a third wave already of this ultra low time frame impulse. This third wave might finish right here at this Fibonacci retracement level. After that we will have a fourth wave, and the fifth wave will take us right here towards that $85,000, ladies and gentlemen, which is basically on medium time frame the end of the third wave, right here 85, and then we will have a fourth medium time frame corrective wave. Well, and then that's for another video. Right now what's important to understand is that it's not just the Elliott wave theory that making us confident about our bearish case, it's also all the things that the whales are doing behind the scenes. Together with that also we can see a clear bearish divergence. Let me show you what I mean exactly. As you can see here, this high created this kind of momentum on MACD indicator, and right now just the previous high that retested the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level that I've analyzed from the previous price action right here created this amount of momentum, and this is a clear bearish divergence. And if you are in our MCP University, which is free for all of you paradisers, you can spectate very easily that if the indicator is making a higher high but the price is making lower high, this is a clear hidden from public eye bearish divergence. Ladies and gentlemen, you have an extreme advantage among other traders. We record these videos only for a small circle of paradisers like you, so I believe thanks to this you can understand the probabilities and you can make much better trading decisions yourself, even though you are not in ParadiseTeam VIP. Let me show you one last thing, that's USDT dominance. You know that we have been analyzing the structure, the previous structure that happened right here in March 2024, and we are building something similar right here at this important support zone that previously worked like a resistance, and after it was broken it created this huge impulse. So very important level, ladies and gentlemen, and USDT dominance right now is starting to reclaim this resistance. Okay, this resistance, if it's reclaimed, it will create some similar surge that happened already in May 2022, and you understand that if the USDT dominance is rising, the flow of money goes the way that the money are flowing from the crypto market into USDT, which is a stable coin, so the crypto market is going down. So this indicator is another thing that is just increases the probabilities, and you can see that unlike Bitcoin that is changing the trend from bullish to bearish, you can see that the USDT dominance is actually going from being below this moving average trend line to reclaiming this moving average trend line and starting a new bullish trend. Ladies and gentlemen, we are aware of that. You know that with ParadiseTeam VIPs we are adapting our trading strategies and tactics based on that. Make sure you are safe, and for the giveaway you can win an exclusive seat inside of MCP Extras Private, where we reveal to you what the whales are doing behind the scenes. It's an absolute must-have insights for any professional trader, and the rules to win this giveaway is very easy. I'm extremely interested, what would you do if you would have $7 million? Would you rather buy Bitcoin or a mining machine that mines Bitcoins at the current price of Bitcoin, and why? So you have $7 million, imagine that. What you buying? You have only two options: Bitcoin on the exchange or a mining machine, and why? Together with that, share this video on some of your social media, like it, subscribe, and like also one other comment in the comment section below other than yours. The comment with the highest amount of likes will win an exclusive spot in MCP Extras Private. So I wish you luck. I'm reading all the messages, so I'm extremely interested. What will you choose if you will have $7 million? And I will see you again on Saturday. Cheers.